Larry the Murphy. Ugomba Ugomba Agboe. Do I look like your mate? Eh? Do I look like your mate? Anytime you am in Nigeria, you am in Edo, in here where me who believe. When it come out now, in here where me who believe. You can lower, because you are a stupid idiot, an illiterate, a bastard. I knew how your brother, Dennis, begged me to assist you. I knew how I tried to save you. I knew the embarrassment I got because of you. One man more remember with me. You get money reach me, may God punish you. You get money reach me, I be your mate. Who raised Germany? Do you know when I came to Germany? I got to Germany in 1992. Are you mad? My immediate younger brother still lives in Germany over 30 years now. I left him behind in Germany. Do you know me at all? You think I'm like all those people you that your Chris, na me go cure am. That your Chris, na me go cure am. You idiot, illiterate down on my mouth. Obigwe, am I your mate? You see what I'm going to do to you. Anytime I see you in Nigeria, you see what I'm going to do. You are encouraging crime. You are encouraging criminality. Uwe wetu gbinanegwa uzu owo gbinagwe sanu gbinanegwa umeme oba enwe umeme what mean here we more I know they talk too much. I dey wait for you, idiot. My people, you people should listen to the voice record and see and judge this idiot that call himself Eddie Murphy. They call himself social media president. Who give you social media president? May God punish you. You dey try me? No worry. I will use you to take you example. Yeah? You don't know me. May God punish you. When I listen to the voice record, when I see idiot where they encourage crime and criminality. After you saying they help palace, who be you where they who you be? Who know you? May God punish you. Oba know you, bastard. No worry. I will teach you lesson.
Media president, may no Sazia Mama. You understand? When you go work one, because you are like a brother to me. A guy, me, or chill, or paso, that guy is a criminal. Don't help that guy for anything. He told him, I have no reason to lie to that guy. I have no reason to lie against that guy. Or tell me no blood even or the same father a more senior. More senior. He may be senior. I lie against my own brother. Everything I tell you about my own brother, find out. Find out very well. That guy is a criminal. If we him in a boundary with Okiso, a boy now, all far ball or I hear no Tihimi. When no way, Tihimi must see a palace. When no way, Tihimi must see a palace. If we go to office, no or monopirates was set up where who wake up a house. When no way, Tihama in fact, him is see a bani, or Tiano Yahime. Otohiano Rokiso, my brother, he told him out where a boy na hero to Hiafo. Rokiso. That guy is a criminal. Oh, ye Curtis, oh, yeah, intimidated with Rokiso, we running. Or tell me no, he can't lie against him. I have no reason to lie against him. But I just want you to do your findings.
Welcome back again, my people. This one is the second video. This second video, this one make me, and also whether I go laugh or whether I go cry, I'm not gonna know. For this train station, this woman there for train station, for Agege train station. He said when they come down for the train station, they want use toilets, they want go use their self, my people. He said they tell them say make they open, make they give the key, make they say go inside, make they go east themselves. No what they tell them. He said they tell am say make he go peace for outside. Say they no want me anybody use toilet. This one na train station. Me I no know what they do the country. Grown up person. May he go peace for outside. Say may he just may he go one corner for them, may he peace for them. Not be say they not get toilet. I never see this kind of a thing before. Whether they use the toilet, they do another thing corner. Person want go toilet, he come for train station. Not only Nigeria go fit happen. Not only our country now. More than watch the video, more than listen to what the woman dey talk. Whether this kind thing it go fit happen for another country or another state, I don't know. Because that country, the way when they tell they do something, now only God na go help us. Train station, they build am make toilet dey for inside. Say if you want go, you are free to go. They lock am. They say make they go the peace for outside. Say if they reach outside for corner for them, make they feel peace for them. Why they build toilet for inside train station? Not before make person they go the toilet. Me I don't know whether na goat them build am for or na animal. I don't know because the country the way they tell they do. My people, me I put the video. Make more help me share and God go bless una. One love.
Ma mu boga dia o mana masonia ya agbovima ma mu gbinya o mana masonia ya agbovima ma mu gbedi bo mana masonia ya sugbize keka se vira ma me genia ya ati api tos botena iwo ya me ma bebe ai bobigbe weta wane we millionaire we yi but wo mu moto de tiri try no mu area we bu and we ta wo hot when wo hot you worry wo hot you no go worry where you ne as a millionaire wo pa we wedding that means my year school as a senior man where you no need but women no tana my brother immediately as a module when I got mad at you know when you now where we take the video where deserve to go to prison when I got mad at when I really consume yak bear when you teacher would desire to consume bear your base my brother don't allow we are with a dead be we get here a kidney now say ya you know really way forgive ya beg we begwa ma bo wa kimike you know really way we are on side of power we tell but I don't have anything against her but too many things against her we don't keep prison we deserve to go to prison. When we take against him, now we are going to go to Tawa. I know my brother Lao will go.